and T142 track. 2 M60 1 rise, reliability improvement, selected equipment, hull upgrade featuring AVDS 1790-2C rise engine and redesigned hull electrical system allowing for easier access, servicing and removal, several automotive component upgrades, incorporated TLAC and AOS upgrades as well as the T142 track. 1 M60 1 Rise Plus, passive night vision for gunner and commander, retrofitted with M60 AT1 main gun and M240C coaxial machine gun. 2 M60 1 Rise Passive, incorporated all previous upgrades plus AVDS 1790-2D rise engine and V-smoke system, deep water fording kit. U.S. Marines outfitted with explosive reactive armor, era, in the late 1980s. 5X M66, conceptual prototypes for development of the T95E7 Type O, Type B and Type C turret designs. 6 M60A1E1, developmental test vehicles consisting of XM81 152mm gun missile launchers mounted in T95E7 Type A turrets fitted to M60 hulls. 3 M60E1 tanks were used. 7 M60A1E2, prototype M60A1 hull mated to a compact T95E7 Type B turret design carrying the XM81E13 gun and accepted as M60A2. 8 M60A1E3, prototype, M60A1E2 Type B turret fitted with M68 105mm gun. 9 M60A1E4, experimental concept type with remote control weapons. 1 Type C turret mock-up built. 10 M60A2, featured the M162 gun forward/launcher and compact turret fitted with Ford Aerospace M51 MCS. First variant to use a laser range finder. 11 M60A3, turret upgrade fitted with a laser range finder, M21 solid-state ballistic computer and a crosswind sensor. Sometimes referred to as the M60A3 passive. 1 M60A3 TTS, tank thermal sight, M60A3 fitted with the Radian and forward/VSG2 thermal sight. 12 M60AX, unfunded ARNG request for proposal upgrade of the M60 tank. 1 M60AX demonstration or prototype built by GDLS. 13 M60A4, proposed upgrade for ARNG tanks, never built. 14 QM60, M60A1 /A3 designation for target vehicles. Specialized, edit. 1 M60AVLB, armored vehicle launched bridge with 60-foot, 18 scissors bridge mated to the M60 hull. 1 M60AVLM, M60 armored vehicle launched bridge, AVLB, with up to 2 vehicle-mounted M58 MIC LICs. To employ the system, the vehicle cannot be carrying a bridge. The system consists of an M147 firing kit, an M58 a 3-line charge and a 5-inch Mk22 Mod 4 rocket. The line charge is 350 feet, 110 m, long and contains 5 pound, 2.3 kilograms, per linear foot of C4 explosive. In the event a MICLIC fails to detonate normally, it can be manually activated by time delay fuses every few feet along the length of it. 2 M60 VLPD 26 /70E, Spanish Army bridge layer based on the M60 with Legan bridge system. 12 converted from M60A1 hulls. 3 M60 Tagash AVLB, Israeli variant of the M60 AVLB. Upgraded with Merkava-based track and suspension, upgraded engine and 2 SMED tandem bridge sections. 1 XM1060 Robat, Robotic obstacle breaching assault tank. A former M60 A3 tank without its turret configured to clear minefields and mark cleared lanes as well as to detect chemical, biological, and nuclear agents. It was fitted with a M1 MRCS mine roller and two M147 line charge firing kits. The crew may operate the vehicle via remote control by a fiber optic video link, or the commander and driver sit in tandem in two armored pods fitted with an NBC protection system. The robot fires an M58 MICLIC line charge filled with explosive over a minefield and then proofs the lane with a M1 MCRS. A cleared lane marking system, CLAMS, dispenses day or chemistry luminescent light sticks from the rear to mark the cleared lane. Developed during the early 1980s and was cancelled by 1988. 1 M60 Panther MDCV, mine detection and clearing vehicle. M60 without a turret fitted with countermine systems used by U.S. forces during Operations Joint Endeavour and Joint Task Force Eagle. The Panther can have a two-man crew or be used as a remotely controlled vehicle. It is used to proof lanes and assembly areas. The system consists of a turretless M60 tank, Israeli Pearson mine rollers, an anti-magnetic actuating device, and a standardized teleoperation system, STS, that is mounted in a separate vehicle. Additionally, a remote video camera allows the operator to see the road ahead. Only 6 built from former M60 A3s, withdrawn from use by 2000 and superseded in role by IPM-1 Panther II. 2 M88 ARV, Armored Recovery Vehicle based on M60 chassis. 3 Al-Munjed M60 ARV, Armored Recovery Vehicle Jordanian M60 ARV variant. Starting in 1996, the King Abdullah II Design and Development Bureau, CADB, began the conversion of 82 M60 A1 rise hulls into ARVs. The vehicle is based on the M60 A1 rise hull with an upgraded AVDS 1790-2DR engine. The turret has been replaced with a welded armored superstructure that provides protection from small arms and shell fragments. For recovery operations, a turntable-mounted hydraulically operated crane fitted with a telescopic jib is mounted on the front right side of the chassis. Additionally, a hydraulically operated winch is located in the lower forward part of the chassis and leads out through the front of the vehicle. It has a front-mounted blade that can be used for vehicle stabilization or as a dozer blade. The vehicle is armed with a M2HB machine gun. 4 M728 Combat Engineer Vehicle fitted with a folding A-frame crane and winch attached to the front of the turret, and an M135 165mm demolition gun mated to the M60 hull. 5 M60 CZ-10 /25E Alacron, Spanish Army Combat Engineer variant. The main gun was replaced with a backhoe and is armed with a machine gun. Based on the M60 A1 rise hull. Additional equipment. 1 M9 bulldozer kit for the M60 series, LIN B45390. The M9 bulldozer installed on the M60 series tank will increase the vehicle weight by 4.45 tons, 4.04 metric tons. It is used to clear obstacles, leveling ground, filling depressions and to construct fighting positions. It is not to be used for demining activities. It is controlled by the driver. 2 M1 Mine Clearing Roller System, MCRS, LIN M18157. The MCRS is installed on the front of the tank through a removable adapter, and provides the capability for neutralization of anti-tank, land mines, which are buried or laid on the surface, in the track path of the vehicle. The MCRS consists of 2 roller banks with 2 push-arm assemblies. Each roller bank has 5 rollers, which apply ground pressure higher than that exerted by the tank. This principle ensures the explosion of pressure-fused anti-tank mines, which would otherwise explode under the track itself. The system weighs about 10 short tons, 9.07 metric tons. 3 Vehicle Magnetic Signature Duplicator, VMZ, LIN V53112. The VMZ will increase the effectiveness and survivability of countermine equipment by triggering the standoff detonation of magnetic influence mines at a safe distance ahead of the tank. It generates a multi-axial magnetic signature optimized for passively fused magnetic influence fused mines. The system is made up of 4 emitter coils, 2 associated power boxes and a MSD control unit, M60. 4 Pearson D7 Surface Mine Plow, SMP, LIN B71620. It is a track-width plow designed to skim the surface of a flat roadway or trail, not to defeat buried mines. It is controlled by the driver. 5 Track-width Mine Plow, TWMP, LIN B71621. The track-width mine plow, TWMP, uses a raking action to clear a safe path by bringing concealed or buried mines and improvised explosive devices, IEDs, to the surface and moving them wide and clear of the vehicle. It can be fitted with a MAD to counter magnetic influence fused mines. 6 Full-width mine rake, FWMR, LIN B51986. A rake assembly for unearthing and disposing of buried and surface-laid mines in sand and loose earth. It was specifically designed and fabricated for use in operations Desert Shield and Desert Storm. The tank needs to have the M9 bulldozer kit or SMP installed first to employ the rake. It consists of a V-shaped tinned plow that performs countermine activities by lifting buried mines with its tines and pushing them to the side as the vehicle moves forward. The FWMR also uses an aluminum skid shoe which protrudes from the front of the tines to allow the rake to maintain a consistent plowing depth. It clears a path measuring 180 inches wide, accommodating heavy tanks and other armored vehicles. Additional features are that it weighs 4,000 pounds and is easily assembled and installed. International, edit. 1E60 series, foreign military sales designation for the M60 series. 1E60, modified M60 variant for non-US service. 2E60A, modified M60A1 variant for non-US service. 3E60B, modified M60A3 variant for non-US service. Late conversion E60B tanks sold to Israel omitted the commander's cupola. 2 Iranian variants, all Iranian M60A1s were locally modified and given different local names. 1 Zulfikar, the legendary sword of Ali, Iranian M60A1 variant. Armed with a Russian 2A46 125mm smoothbore main gun. 2 Samzam, sword Iranian upgraded version of M60A1 tank, fitted with reactive armor, presumably Contact 5, EFCS-3 fire control system, laser warning system and IR jammers. 3 Israeli variants. Many of the Israeli M60s have been upgraded with additional reactive or passive armor, drastically improving their armor protection. These up-armored versions are referred to as the Magak series. 1 Magak 6, modernized M60/M60A1/M60A3. Fitted with the Orden low-profile cupola and blazer era. Different configurations exist. 2 Magak 7, M60A1/A3 with 908 HP, 677 kilowatts, AVCR 1790-5 engine, additional passive armor, new fire control and Merkava-based tracks. Different configurations exist. 1 Turkish variants. As a member of NATO, Turkey acquired a large fleet of M60A1 and A3 tanks. Many of them have been upgraded to the Sabra variant. 1 M60T Sabra MKI, Turkish modernized M60 1/E60 variant with upgraded AVCR 1790 900 HP, 670 kilowatts, engine and suspension. Armed with M68T 105mm gun. Some retained the M19 cupola and were fitted with ERA packages and steel side skirts. 2 M60T Sabra Mk2, Turkish M60 a 3/E60B upgrade of the Sabra M60 MBT carried out in 2008. It features a MG251LR 120mm main gun carrying 43 rounds, Elbit night fire control system, hybrid electro-hydraulic turret drive, or light modular passive and ERA armor packages, slat armor for the turret, external armor plating to the hull front. Fitted with M19 style cupola. The power pack consisted of a 1000 HP, 750 kilowatts, German Renk MTU 881 diesel engine coupled to a Renk 304S transmission and the same suspension and track assembly as the Merkava 4 MBT. Most upgraded to the Mk3 configuration. Last 170 delivered in April 2010. 3 M60T Sabra Mk3, same as the Mk2 featuring improved modular armor. Cupola replaced with a commander's remote-operated weapons system, CROWS. 1 Firat M60T or M60TM, Turkish local enhancement of the M60T Mk3 Sabra main battle tank unveiled in 2019. Fitted with a commander's independent thermal viewer, SIDV, a new and locally developed Aselsan Vulcan M fire control system, an RWR/IR warning system and Aselsan Pilat active protection system. Tanks undergoing the modernization are expected to be fully completed by the end of 2021. 2 high-performance forward/Super M60, Teledyne Continental upgrade package for the M60 a 1/3 offered in 1985. Features 105mm M68A1 gun, new engine and suspension system, Cavorm spaced applique armor for the turret, and other component improvements. 1 prototype built. 3 M60-2000/120S, M60/Abrams hybrid vehicle developed by General Dynamics Land Division in 2001. 1 prototype built. 4 M60 Phoenix, Jordanian upgrade, carried out in 2004 by the King Abdullah II Design and Development Bureau. Upgrade features increased firepower, with a RAG 120mm smoothbore gun, IR jammers and modular armor protection scheme upgrade. 5 Raytheon M60 a 3-slip, Raytheon modular update package for the M60 a 1/3 first offered in 2016. Features RAG 120mm gun with autoloader, digital fire control system, Stanag Level 6 armor plates for the hull, slat armor for the turret bustle, upgraded engine, and other component improvements. 6 Royal Thai Army M60 a 3 TIFX. The M60 a 3 main battle tank underwent a modernization led by Elbit Systems in 2015. This upgrade introduced essential features, including a stabilized thermal sight, TIFX, for enhanced day and night operations, an electrical gun and turret drive system, EGS, and a head mirror assembly, HMA, for improved fire control. The tank's main armament, the M68 105mm gun, was equipped with a new thermal sleeve. The index loader system allowed quicker and easier reloading. The modernized M60 a 3 demonstrated higher shooting accuracy. 7 Leonardo M60 a 3 slip, M60 a 3-slip modular upgrade package offered by Leonardo Doctors in 2017. 8 Taiwanese M60 a 3 update. Taiwanese 2019 slip modular update of the M60 a 3 in conjunction with Elbit Systems. Upgrades includes MG251/L44 120mm gun with a semi-automatic load assist, Elbit Night Independent Fire Control System, IFCS, with an independent thermal commander's sight, laser range finder, an RWR/IR warning system and Curtiss-Wright electric turret drive. Improved hull suspension, improved NBC protection system and modular active and reactive armor packages. Specifications, edit. M60 M60A1 M60A2 M60A3. Overall length, gun forward, 366.5 in, 9.3 m, 371.5 in, 9.4 m, 288.7 in, 7.3 m, 371.5 in, 9.4 m. Overall width 143 in, 3.6 m. Height over cupola periscope 126.5 in, 3.2 m, 128.2 in, 3.3 m, 130.3 in, 3.3 m, 129.2 in, 3.3 m. Ground clearance 15.3 in, 38.9 centimeters. Top speed 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Fording 48 in, 1.2 m, W/O kit. Maximum grade 60%. Maximum trench 8.5 feet, 2.6 m. Maximum wall 36 in, 0.9 m. Range 300 mi, 480 kilometers, 280 mi, 450 kilometers. Power 750 HP, 560 kilowatts, at 2,400 RPM. Power to weight ratio 14.7 HP/ST, 12.1 kilowatt /T, 14.3 HP/ST, 11.8 kilowatt /T, 13.1 HP/ST, 10.8 kilowatt /T. Torque 1,710 pound-foot, 2,320 Nm, at 1,800 RPM. Weight, combat loaded 102,000 pound, 46,270 kilograms, 105,000 pound, 47,630 kilograms, 114,000 pound, 51,710 kilograms, 114,600 pound, 51,980 kilograms. Ground pressure 10.9 psi, 75 kPa, 11.2 psi, 77 kPa, 12.3 psi, 85 kPa. Main armament 105 mm M68 152 mm M162 gun forward/launcher, including up to 13 missiles, 105 mm M60-81. Elevation, main gun plus 19 degrees 9 degree plus 20 degrees 10 degree. Traverse rate 15 seconds /360 degree 16 seconds /360 degree 9.1 seconds /360 degree 16 seconds /360 degree. Elevation rate 4 degree /second 10 degree /second 4 degree /second. Main gun ammo 57 rounds 63 rounds 46 rounds 63 rounds. Firing rate 7 rounds /minute 4 rounds /minute 7 rounds /minute. Operators, edit. Further information, non-U.S operators of the M60 tank. Current operators, edit. 1 Bosnia and Herzegovina, 45 M60 3 TTS transferred from US in 1996 under Train and Equip program. They all remain in service as of 2023. 2 Bahrain, 180 M60 3 TTS in 2005, 100 in service and 80 in storage as of 2023. 3 Brazil, 91 M60 3S purchased from United States. 35 M60 3 TTS in service as of 2023. 4 Egypt, received 700 M60 1 and 759 M60 3 from the United States, plus 168 from Austria. 300 M60 1 and 850 M60 3 in service as of 2023. 5 Iran, 460 M60 1s were transferred from the US before 1979, with 150 in service as of 2023. 6 Israel, 1,350 M60, M60 1, M60 3, and various Magak models in 2005. They were replaced by the Merkava. As of 2023, Israel operates some AVLBs. 7 Jordan, 182 M60 3 in service as of 2023. 8 Lebanon, 56 M60 3s transferred from Jordan in 2008. 10 in service as of 2023. 9 Libya, 3 M60 1 transferred from Turkey. 10 Morocco, 108 M60 1s transferred from US in 1981. 300 former U.S. Marine Corps M60 1s were purchased from 1991 to 1994, 120 M60 3 TTS and 7 M60 1 in 1997. 220 M60 1 and 120 M60 3 TTS in service as of 2023. 11 Oman, 6 M60 1 and 73 M60 3 supplied by the United States between 1981 and 1996. As of 2023, they all remain in service. 12 Saudi Arabia, 910 M60 1 rise, 250 transferred to North Yemen. Many of these were upgraded to M60 3s during the 1990s. 460 M60 3 in service in 2005, 370 M60 3 in 2023. 13 Singapore, 12 M60 AVLB in service as of 2023. 14 Spain, 50 M60 1, 154 M60 3, and 106 M60 3 TTSs received between 1992 and 1993 from conventional forces in Europe, CFE, treaty. Superseded by the Leopard 2. As of 2023, 15 M60 AVLB bridge layers are in service with the Spanish Army. 15 Sudan, 20 M60 1s received in 1979 from United States. They remain in service as of 2023. 16 Taiwan, 300 M60 3 TTS and 450 cm 11 Brave Tiger in service as of 2023. 17 Thailand, 53 M60 1 and 125 M60 3 from the U.S. Army. They all remain in service as of 2023. 18 Tunisia, 54 M60 3 received from the United States between 1983 and 1984. 30 M60 1 and 54 M60 3 in service as of 2023. 19 Turkey, received 274 M60A1 and 658 M60A3 from the United States between 1992 and 1994. 170 were converted to M60T Sabra 3. 100 M60A1, 650 M60A3 TTS, and 165 M60T Amphirat in service as of 2023. 20 United States, as of 2015 QM60s are in limited use as target vehicles for weapons and radar testing.